Hello everyone. So this is Bros Forever, and this is our first gaming video, and I am going to be playing on my Chromebook.
Me too. I can help sometimes.
And this is my brother, and he's also working with me on the channel. So
I uploaded some videos.
Okay. We are going. Oh, is it blurry? Yeah. So we are going to be playing the Battle Cats. So we're gonna.
We can move the camera.
Okay. Yeah.
Then how do we do them all doing that?
Okay. So we are going to play the Battle Cats.
And this is our Chromebook.
Yeah.
My dad also has a laptop. It's loading.
Don't see that much things. Yeah, it takes a little bit to load. Yep, here we go. So I've been pretty far into this game. Yeah, we're just gonna skip that.
Oh, that's loud.
Yeah. Okay, so
Samantha bad boy.
Hey, stop it.
Samantha bad boy.
That's our dad.
that's my dad.
Bad boy.
That's my dad.
Stop it.
Don't shoot me in the playing videos?
Yeah. Okay.
Mama, I can be the cameraman.
No. Okay. So we are on Empire of Cats, Chapter 3, Revival of Bahamut Cat.
Oh, sorry.
So you guys might have not seen. You guys are not gonna see Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, and I'm so sorry. Actually, we're gonna do. I've beaten this one, but I'm gonna show it just for you guys.
No,
For those.
I'm the cameraman.
No, who cares? Okay. For those who don't know what the game Battle Cats is, you basically use cats to fight off other animals, and there's many different kinds. I'm gonna show you my whole cat. Excuse the pop-ups. So, and then we can get new cats from these capsules. Let's try.
Do one. Let's go.
This is a special one. Okay, we just got XP. That's what happens sometimes. So,
We don't always get XP.
Okay.
We still get half.
so with these cat capsules, I'm pretty good at this game. So this is just free XP. But you guys are going to be able to see some normal cats and also these pop up. Yeah, this is the basic cat. And this is like a growth cat. Cat energy. Countenance. You'll see what all these things are in some time. Just wait, we will get to the fun part soon. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, let's just get to the main part.
It's fine.
So, yeah, it's the fighting. So, first let me show you my cat.
Canada, right?
Yeah, as you guys might have seen from my past shorts, they are all in India because I went for vacation. So
we're back in our country, Canada.
Yeah. So these are all my cats. You'll see what they all do in battle. So
We got the best cats ever. Right?
Not the best, yeah. I'm pretty skilled at this game.
Outbreak, can you do some outbreak?
No, that's okay. Excuse. Gonna go all the way. We start at Korea. So now we press attack. This is the main part.
Hey, come, you might not.
No. So look, these are the enemies and these are my cats. And I use money to get cats. So let me show you this rover cat. This is the rover cat. This is its info. It's good against aliens and effects, abilities. You'll see what that does in future videos of battle cats. And then easy, right? Yeah. So I'm probably gonna do maybe the first 10 levels and show you guys all the different cats.
Where we started is where we only had the cat, right?
Yeah.
But now we have the best cats ever.
Yeah. And you keep on progressing through levels. And every cat. See, this is a Neo Psycho cat. He's also good against aliens. This is the cat.
We upgraded to a new.
Yeah.
Cat to a new cat.
Yeah. So all these cats are upgraded. So these are their level 10 forms, except this guy, this rover cat, and also except this guy, and also this. But these 8 cats are all level 10 or up.
Even this.
Yeah. And this is the laser, the cat laser. So it does a ton of damage to
Do
all.
you see what our cat god is?
Oh yeah, yes. Thank you very much, Summer. We are also going to see the cat god and his blessings. You'll see what I'm talking about. For those who have not seen this game.
Has anyone else seen this game? I don't know. Right?
Yeah, okay. So now we're going to China, not to offend anyone.
That's
You
the
got
cat god.
rover cat?
We
Yeah.
go.
Okay,
That's our
so
cat
this
god.
is our cat god. So
Right here.
let me click him.
And
Yeah.
look at his body.
Yep.
Look,
Okay.
it's so weird.
Honestly. Okay, so I'm just censoring. Sorry. Okay.
No,
so,
I can do it. I can do it.
Yeah. So censor that. So these are all his God's miracles or blessings. So this is Wrath of God, and it's lightning strike enemies 3 times stronger than the cat cannon. This is God bless you. All the enemies will be blown to the enemy's castle. Healing Oasis. Health of the cat base and all cats is full. And this is Baby Boom. Produce as many cats as you want for 1 minute. Worker cat level will be raised to max. You'll see the worker cat. Sorry for the camera shake. Okay. So this is the worker cat. You basically upgrade him. See, I upgraded him. So now we have more money capacity to get more cats. So you see. And this is okay. So he is the castaway cat, he's also good against aliens. I brought all my good alien cats. My cat's good against aliens because I've been doing...
Into the future.
Yeah. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you want me to make a series on this, comment down below. Like and subscribe. Let's get this video to at least 20 likes. See you guys in the next video.